What's up, guys? Johnny here, and I am playing Starfield, and I figured I would show you guys how to put in some mods and how to install them, because some of them are manual and some of them are ran with Vortex or Nexus Mod Manager. So if you like the fucking video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, whatever, if this helps you. If not, let's get fucking started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is we need to go to Nexus, and you're going to want to download the Vortex, which was at the time Nexus Mod Manager. So you go to here, I'll put all the links in the description. So you go to here, Vortex, it's pretty simple. Download this shit the way it's supposed to go. You kind of know what to do. If not, it's pretty self-explanatory. After you do that, you're going to open up this, log in, make a Nexus account if you don't have one. I used to use all this shit for Skyrim. So you see that I already have mods enabled here, but we're going to go through all of that. So get this installed and log in, because this is going to make this super easy for us to get the mods that we need, and it's going to instantly go to it. Okay, the first one here is clean filled, so you can get rid of a lot of the clutter on the screen. I've noticed that the game takes a long time to load the main menu. So with this, I've noticed that it seems to be quicker. So I went in, whenever you just go down through here, go to file, like I said, link will be in description. I use the mod manager for this one, so everything we're going to do first is going to be with the mod manager, and then we'll go into the ones that manually have to be either like written in through Notepad, or it's simple little things. So install this, and then it's going to bring up a prompt to let you select certain things. You can choose what's there. This seems to make the intro go a lot faster. Load times seem to be better, so I'm using it. Now for the next one we're going to want to install is called the Starfield FSR2 bridge, replacing shit with shit. So as far as I can tell with this, there's a way for frame rates to be adjusted as a game plays, and it can be make things go up and down on how it plays, make it more smooth. So what this does is makes it even better, I guess, since the game itself has a lot of laggy and spiky areas. So go to the file here, you can use Nexus Mod Manager for this, or Vortex, my bad. That's fucking Nexus Mod Manager, okay? Whatever. Download it. But by the way, when you hit download this, it'll bring up open with Vortex. You'll see this shit go straight to here, and it installs in a couple of seconds. It'll tell you exactly what you want to do. It's super easy, and literally this is the easy part so far. So download this, 'cause it's supposed to make the game run better. So fuck it. All right, next one. So this one I tried with the Nexus Mod Manager or the Vortex Manager, and doing it manually, and it seems like either way works. After I figured it out, but this is into the Starfield desktop launch icon, because the one what we have is fucking lame. Like, look at this. This is lame. This is super lame right here. Boop. See? So I was just wanted to look, because that is, I mean, actually I think it was smaller than that. But anyway, go down here, you can either manually download it. I went and manually downloaded it. So, and after do that, if you use WinRAR or fucking anything like that, or WinZip, extract it to your desktop, and then just go here and properties, and then we're going to, it'll probably maybe start here in general, go to the web document, change icon, and then you can see it has a bunch of generic ones. We're going to go to browse, go to your desktop where you put that thing right here. Here is right here, into the, click yes, it brings it up here, because you can't just put any picture. That'd be cool if you could do that. Hit apply, and boom, look at this, have a fucking badass Starfield icon. All right, this one is more custom landing sites. I don't know, I haven't been here in the game at all to even know this. So apparently there's 3 ones that are there in the vanilla, and this one adds more landing areas that you can have. So I used the mod manager. This is a given they said to have. So download this, it'll bring it up here, and move on to the next one. Next is the FOV slider or changer. So it allows you to permanently change it in game. So does the game not have it in there where you can do it? Because I remember Fallout 76 having something of the same issue. It says here, just I use Nexus Mod Manager for this, I'm pretty sure. Let's take a look. Yep, use the manager, and then go down here, and it says that using the console key, which is the little squiggly thing, hit that, just like Skyrim, and you can go in and set your shit up the way you want it. All right, that's thank you, modders, for that. Next we have icon sorting tags. So apparently getting the inventory, you can't see the icons very well, or there isn't any. This adds icons so you can see things, and it also says that it helps with inventory management. It's in with the mod manager. Go through here like normal, and this will apparently help with all the items and shit that you can see, I guess. So we'll try that. Next up we have easy digipick lock picking. So this simplifies the digipick minigame. 2 versions available, still requires perks, so this makes it easier. I don't know if that's a huge pain in the ass. Maybe this might even be a little bit of cheating, I guess. So this is Cheater Kong, I guess. So this is going to be the Cheater Kong version. So if you want to use this, I used it. It is done with the manager, you know the spiel. And now we have enhanced player health bar. So I guess the original one is white all the way. So this one goes down and changes at 75%, 50%, and 25%. So I guess that's a thing. So I'll take that. You mix it. I don't know. Why don't they have this stuff like the devs fix this shit? Little things. Come on, guys. Jetpack overhaul with it. What? Jetpack overhaul with this one. So normally it is a single press of a button. Now you can press and hold, and it allows you to use a jetpack. You know what, that does make sense. That would be easier to use. That was easily done with the Nexus Mod Manager as well. So yeah, make sure you install this one. I'm assuming you use your jetpack a lot, and if it's annoying, fuck that, I don't want to do it. This one is Star UI inventory. So this basically makes everything more compact. It says here that it has more details and sortable columns, tag icons, category is left sidebar, all sorts of shit. So it is done with the manager as well, super easy. So I'm going to install this. I suggest that anybody else does too, the way it's sounding. So being Bethesda, so yep. Here we got calibrated reshade colors. So I normally use reshaders on a lot of the games that I play because it make them more sharp, clear, whatever. So this is installed with the manager as well. So it gets rid of fogginess. There's a version 2. It's super easy. I installed it. I just found this not too long ago. So we'll see how it does together. Let me know in the comments below how it acts for you. Mission menu. So this makes it to where Starfield mod refines the mission screen, clearly indicate where quests have been completed and which ones are still active, streamlining the ability to track your progress. Well, that seems simple enough. I don't know why they couldn't have done that themselves, devs. Todd. But it looks like this is one that you're going to need. Next one we have here is Stealth Overhaul. Overhauls several aspects of stealth gameplay and NPC detection. More forgiving without making it too easy, so I guess that's a thing. It says it increases the radius to where the view cone detection radius, detection in regards to player sound, reduces the sound players produce when they are in the line of sight. So I'm going to use this one. It says it's a highly recommended one, so this is also, how is this installed? It is installed with the manager right here, or you can do it manually. Dark mode for terminals. So gives terminals a darker theme and makes the terminal startup less bright as well. Now includes kiosk as well. Supports large menu fonts, accessibility options. So this is for people that have problems with their eyes or like high contrast type of stuff. So it is, we can download this with the manager as well. That's what I thought. So that's good. Short-term temple puzzles. A simple hex edit of the simple puzzles script to change the number of required rings to hit to 1. The sheer number of temples you need to complete in regular gameplay has made solving puzzles extremely dull. So I'm assuming if you have to do these a lot, this has made it a lot shorter. I did a basic hex edit of the script change the number of required rings to hit the temple puzzle from 5 to 1. So yeah, I'm going to use this for sure, especially if it's the same thing over and over again, kind of like shrines in Breath of the Wild or fucking Tears of the Kingdom. So yeah, this is a very much needed one. Improved combat AI. Starfield's NPCs oftentimes just stand around contemplating their next move. With this mod, NPCs will be more active and will act more intelligently. So that being said, I bet this makes the game a hell of a lot better. I would, like, if I was going to do any of the mods, I would do this one for sure. So, and it's easily installed with the manager. I think the next ones after this are going to be the ones we install manually for like some things. One of them is for okay, so this next part is where it's going to get a little trickier. So now we're going to be manually installing a few mods that we definitely need. So if you use any mod on this game in Starfield, it will disable achievements, which are a big deal to a lot of people. Not so much me, but there is a mod called the Achievement Enabler on Nexus Mods. So what you're going to do, so you're going to go to the file, and you're going to see that it says that it can't use the mod manager. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit manually download, and then it'll do its thing. Oh, so it's going to need an additional file. That's right. So we're going to go to here. So what it wants us to do is go back off of that. Okay, so what's going to happen, we're going to go in to your main files of the game. So go to, allows you to use console commands without worrying about your save becoming modded or achievements getting disabled. So I use the Steam version. So you'll go on to ASI Loader, the GitHub, the page here. So click on this link right here, and then you're going to see bink2w64.dd or DLL. So whenever you click on this, it's going to bring you to this section here. You'll scroll down. It's going to be right here, but you need to download that. So, but what if you read what it's saying? You have to download that, and then you're going to go into your directory of Starfield game, Steam app, Common, Starfield, wherever it's located, and there's going to be a bink2w64.dll already there. You're going to rename it to bink2w64hooked.dll. So change that, and then you're going to copy the new one. So hold on, my bad. Then you're going to go to your root directory of the game, Steam Apps, Common, Starfield, and then rename that. And then now copy over the DLL downloaded from the page, and you're going to put that into Steam App, Common, Starfield. Now, after you do that, you'll want to create a new folder. And create a new folder. You can do it right here. So if you look, I'm going to bring this over here so you guys can see. I am in Starfield, and you see how I've changed the name to that one, and then also installed the new one after I renamed it, so you can see. So after that, it wants us to make a new folder called plugins, and then as you can see, you put right here, just add a new folder, call it plugins, and then let's continue, and then download the mod from the page and place the Starfield achievements file into the plugins folder, and that should be it. And then this should make your achievements come back. I'm sorry if that was a little convoluted. Some of these things can be, but hopefully you guys can watch this enough to figure out what I did. And of course, it's all in your Starfield. Wherever you have the game is where to make sure you're doing this shit. So let's continue on. All right, next one here is going to be craftable ammo and other shit. So this is going to be a manual one, and more complicated than the last one, unfortunately. So we're going to unzip and archive the file, unzip the archive, and drop the crafting ESP into the StarCraft data folder. So that's easy enough. So we're going to download that file, and then we're going to go to Starfield here, and you see where data is. We'll take that file, and we're going to drop it right here. What does it say to that? And then we're going to add the line test file 1 into your Starfield custom. Okay, so if you don't have a custom folder, we're going to have to make one. And it says down here that if you put this in the root or data folder, this will not work. So what we need to do, or what you need to do, is go to wherever your games are. So this PC, Windows, user, Johnny, documents, my games. And if you don't, if Starfield underneath your games, I added Starfield, went to documents and added my games because I've changed hard drives and shit. My games, Starfield, and then right here it lists what it should be called, Starfield custom.ini. So, and if you don't make sure you do not have it as text, but it has to be ini custom. And then you're going to put this here and then open this up through Notepad after you do that. So once you can see, here's the custom inside my games right here. And then you're going to open that when it brings up Notepad, you see. Move that over here. And then if you look here, it says it wants you to add, here's the general and archive. You're going to basically go and copy all of this and then put it into Notepad here, just like this. Save it. Save that. And then if you, like I said, if you put this in root or data folder, it will not work. Now it should work. So let me know in the comments below if it works for you. I will definitely let you know if it works for me. All right, and now the final one, and the one you guys have been waiting for. This one is going to be I think it's kind of fun. You can use it if you want, but it is NPCs always drop their equipped armor. So what does it say here? It says that the mod contains a batch file that sets the game setting that it controls how often NPCs drop armor. The vanilla setting is set to 0.1. NPCs drop their armor 10% of the time, and this mod changes it to 1.0, which is 100% of the time. Download the main file. So here's the awesome thing about this. It was manual, but they have added a mod manager. So fucking select that shit, put it here, enable it, and you should be able to get 100% armor dropped. So that being said, this is all of the mods that I have installed and messed with. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, and if you liked it, comment below, give me a subscribe. I'll do more modding videos if you guys like. I can mod, I've been modding for 10 years. I can even mod Final Fantasy 14, Skyrim, Dragon Age, Fallout, shit. I can mod pretty much anything. I can even mod old shit. So I also put the Discord in the information. Everything's there. The Discord, go check me out on my other platforms, TikTok, Facebook, all of that. I have a Patreon. Go hit that up. It's free for everyone, but there is a $3 option that gives you everything. You don't have to do that. Also, if you want to watch me play this game, I'll play it on Twitch, so or Kick. I also Facebook Live. You guys want to come watch me play this game and go through it, because we're going to be doing it together, because I want this to be fun. A lot of people are playing it. I want to play it. All these mods, I hope these mods help you guys. If there's any problems, let me know, then I will go back in and edit it. But if this makes it any easier for you guys, hopefully the game runs better, because apparently on PC it stresses graphics cards and RAM pretty bad. So hopefully this will make it an easier playing time for all of you. Once again, like, favorite, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Okay, so this is Molder, or Moorworm, whatever, and he knocks you off the edge. You gotta start all the way over, which means you know I'm going to do that. So let's just get it out there now. Arrow didn't do anything either. What the fuck was that? What's that straight up cheated? Well, and then I hurt myself. Wow, great fucking start, John. Oh my fucking god. I know what you're thinking. Fucking think you're gonna get. God damn it! Like, this dude is out to get it. This is fucking relentless. What the fuck was that? See, he's trying to fuck with me. Look at him. Fuck with me. Not good. Why is it no? This is so bad. No, no, no! No! Oh, I had it! I fucked it up! I fucked it! No! 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 Oh! Oh my God! What is happening? I have a fairy. I have a fairy.